What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And as you can tell, I'm losing my voice. I'm actually recovering from being sick. So if you can hear it, I'm sorry, but I had to get this video out. Now, this is some new information that was brought to me. I previously made a video on how to get the best quality on Instagram, but in order to do that, you had to have Photoshop. Now, the problem with that is everybody doesn't have Photoshop. So with this way, this is something that Instagram implemented into their app to let you get higher quality uploads, okay? So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna go to our profile, and at the top right where you see the three lines, click that, okay? Now, once we do that, we need to go to where it says settings. So we're gonna go to settings. After that, click where it says account. Once you see this, you wanna go to where it says data usage. And when you see that, when you click it, you will see where it says higher quality uploads. Now, by default, that should be off. I'm not really sure when they added this, okay? But they added it, and it is something that's great. Now, before, what you wanted to do was you wanted to have your photos be around 2 megabytes. And that was the thing about Photoshop, is we could get our photos to be around 2 megabytes. With this, I'm not sure the new standard as far as size is concerned. I'm still gonna try to keep mine around 2 megabytes, and I may experiment to see if I could go to even 5 megabytes. But I personally have good images. If you look on my Instagram, you tell me what you think. I keeping my photos around 2 megabytes. So I'm gonna test this out. I'm hoping that this helps more with video, because I really don't like to post long IGTV stuff to my Instagram because it just destroys the quality. So hopefully with this, when I upload videos to IGTV, it keeps all of that great 4K quality. I even downscale my stuff to 1080. So we'll see how this goes. So if you knew anything about this, make sure you let me know in the comment section. If you didn't know, also let me know in the comment section below. For all other updates, stay locked here. Oh my God, my reflector is really messing with me. It's messing with this shirt. It's like, it just gets stuck right here. Look at that. Okay, you know what? I'm keeping this. I don't know if I'm keeping this. Let's redo that. So, keep it locked right here for future Instagram videos, helping you build your brand, helping you get more clients, helping you post things that are great quality, okay? Remember, keep valuing your posts. Hopefully, I'll get over this cold or whatever it is that has my voice completely gone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.